Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help out the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer, anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, we are currently sitting at $1.44 trillion. We're down 1.1% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 43.8%. Looking at the overall markets, guys, we are not seeing any exciting thing happening around the markets right now. In the last 24 hours, we are down quite significantly for some altcoins along with the entire market. But if we are looking at the last 1 hour, we're seeing some mild green across the board, but nothing to be getting excited about. We will go into Bitcoin charts later in this video, but today I want to focus more towards Shiba Inu. All right, Shiba Inu, if we're looking at the price for Shiba, it's currently trading at 0.0000077 cents. We are down 4.2% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. We're also down 3.2% in Bitcoin and 1.7% in Ethereum comparative in just the last 24 hours. Shiba's current rank on CoinMarketCap and on CoinGecko is at the top 29 spot. Market cap right now is $3.86 billion. Meanwhile, 24-hour trading volume is at $294.9 million. Very, very low volume for a project like Shiba. So that is not a good thing that I want to point out for you guys. But if we are looking at the bigger picture in just the last year alone, obviously Shiba is up quite a bit. But even in the last 30 days, we're still sitting in the green at 12.4%. But now comes a question that everyone is asking: why is Shiba not pumping? And I will share my personal thoughts why exactly that is happening and where we could be seeing Shiba go in the immediate short term. So with that being said, let's jump right into it. First off, I want to share this with you guys, and that is Shiba's official Twitter account came out and said the full audit by CertiK is now available to view. Final score will be given in the next few days. So CertiK Security Leaderboard did an audit for Shiba Swap. So if you guys want to check it out, I will leave the link in the description box below. So far, it was not bad. All the problems, the red flags that they came out with, the Shiba project itself, the team has come and try to fix that right away. So that is a very nice thing that we want to see when we are looking at all the things revolving around Shiba. But with that being said, let's look at the charts and see what's exactly going on and where we could be going in the immediate short term. Everyone wants to know the same question: why is Shiba not pumping? So I will share my personal thoughts with you guys, and then we will come out and make a conclusion as to what most likely is going to happen in the immediate short term. Before we jump into the charts, I want to share something with you guys. Look at this, guys. The holders for Shiba Inu token is growing at a very, very fast rate. Even though we're not seeing, please keep in mind, even though we're not seeing the price go towards the upside, we are seeing the holders increase as days go by. So that is a very bullish thing that we need to be looking at when we are looking at the Shiba Inu's price. So now let's let's look at the charts and see what's exactly going on. So as you guys can see, Shiba is trading at 0.0000077 cents. And one thing I want to point out for you guys is that right now we are below this level of support at this 815 cents mark. And I did mention this to you guys. If you guys go back to my video that I made recently about Shiba just 2-3 days ago, I did say, guys, if Bitcoin decides to go towards the downside, Shiba Inu is obviously going to be affected no matter what, because at the end of the day, if you do not know, guys, Bitcoin is definitely the leading indicator of this entire cryptocurrency market. So whenever Bitcoin decides to go towards the downside, no matter what coin it is going to be somewhat affected by Bitcoin's price. And over the last few days, if you are a regular viewer on my channel and you guys view my updates on a regular basis, you guys know what is going on with the Bitcoin price. But if that's not the case, this is your first time coming onto my channel, first off, I would like to say welcome. So yeah, if this is your first time coming onto my channel, I want to point one thing out for Bitcoin, and then we will get into Shiba's price right now. Over the last few days, guys, we have been seeing a major battle between the bulls and the bears occur. And you cannot make this up. As you guys can see, we did see Bitcoin price fall towards the downside. We had a bounce off right from this level of support at this 29.5 level. I'm sorry, $29,900 level. We saw Bitcoin go all the way up to this $36,200 mark, which is where I believe we're sitting in the safe end for Bitcoin. But right, you guys can see Bitcoin went all the way up there, was unable to close above it. We saw bears come in, push the price of Bitcoin towards the downside. We saw the bulls come in once again, push the price of Bitcoin towards the upside again. And then you guys can see what has been going on over the last few days. You cannot make this up right now. As of now, as of recording this video, Bitcoin is sitting above that critical level. It is trading at $33,682 level. But let's not get too excited because we're definitely not out of the woods just yet. Obviously, today is the weekend. On the weekends, we do tend to see the most manipulation occur in the cryptocurrency markets because CME futures are closed. So we do need to keep that in mind when we are looking at the prices for Bitcoin over the weekend. But what does that mean for Shiba? As I have mentioned, Shiba is going to react with Bitcoin's price momentum. And right now, we are below this level of support at this 825 cents mark. I personally would like for Shiba to get above this level at all costs. Like, I like Shiba to stay above here and gradually move towards the upside and break above this crucial level of resistance at this to be exact, 105.47 mark. One thing I want to point out is, yes, we were, this Shiba swap launch was highly anticipated, but we really did not see that type of a buying pressure come into Shiba. Like a lot of people were anticipating, including myself. I'm not saying I was not anticipating it. Yes, even myself was anticipating, because this launch for Shiba swap is highly anticipated within the cryptocurrency community, not only the Shiba community. But we did not see the buying pressure kick in. As you guys can see over here, barely anything happened. We did not see any sort of volume kick in for Shiba. So that's why we're having a very hard time for Shiba to push above this level at this 105, and this is where we do kill another zero. Just as of now, over the last time we actually went above it was 24th May, guys. 24th May, we were above this. We wicked towards the upside, but was unable to stay above here. So this is why this level is very important. In order for us to break this level, guys, towards the upside, we do need way more buying pressure to kick in. And right now, we're definitely not seeing that happen. So that is one of the reasons why we are seeing sideways momentum occur for Shiba. One thing I want to point out for you guys is we have been consolidating for the last, month and a half. So not bad, because I know, I keep everything realistic on this channel. Yes, everyone wants to make gains overnight. Everyone wants to get rich and be driving a Lambo overnight. That's absolutely not the case. I know there's millions and millions of new people coming into the markets, and I have been in the markets for the last 6 years, and I have learned a lot of things. Don't get me wrong, when I came new into the markets, I thought the same as majority of the newcomers coming into the markets. I thought, what, crypto is going to go up overnight and I'm going to be, very rich. But that is definitely not the case. I'm sorry to break it to you guys. You need to have patience in this market. You need to do your due diligence and research and invest where you can afford to lose, guys. If you have done that, patience will be your #1 key to follow. Yes, there are certain times that come into the cryptocurrency markets where we do see sideways consolidation occur. Yes, that could be very boring. But one thing to keep in mind is that when these markets do coil up and move towards the upside, they move up very, very fast. So this is where your patience is tested. And also, one thing I always want to point out for my viewers is that you never want to get greedy in this market. When you are seeing parabolic moves like this towards the upside, yes, greed does come to everyone. And you think my portfolio is just going to keep going up and up and up. That's not the case. This is where you need to be asking yourself a question: is the profit that I'm sitting at, is it too much that I cannot afford to lose? If that's the answer, if the answer is yes, I cannot afford to lose these profits, then guys, it's best to scale out and wait for some sort of dip to occur where you can either accumulate more, or you could use that money for your personal use. As fast as you can make profits in this market, that's as fast as you can lose it. But with Shiba, guys, one bullish thing I want to show you guys is this. Yes, the price is not having, an upside, move towards the upside. Everyone is anticipating it. Everyone's like, why is the price not moving up? What is going on? But no one is talking about one thing. Let me give this a quick refresh live at the Shiba swap. I want to share one thing with you guys, and this might give you a better perspective as to what is going on. I don't know what is taking so long. My internet is perfectly fine, but it is loading. There we go, it's up there. Alright, so one thing I want to point out for you guys is that Shiba swap has been live for just the last few days. And in just this last few days, the total value locked for Shiba on Shiba swap is $1.46 billion. Let me repeat that again. $1.46 billion on Shiba swap is locked right now. So meaning people are, people are locking their Shiba, and they're staking and they're earning bone off it, bone, leash, and they're getting rewarded off there. And it's a very impressive considering how Shiba swap has only been live for just a few days. We're already have $1.46 billion locked into Shiba swap. That is a very bullish sign itself, and that you do not want to be ignoring at all cost. So if you want to earn some sort of passive income off your Shiba, you might want to stake your Shiba on Shiba swap. And price, like, still, when it comes down to price, guys, I myself have purchased Shiba myself, and I do believe there's going to be an upside potential for Shiba, considering there's a lot of factors. Obviously, Shiba swap, when the burn happens over time, if the burn is very drastic, then obviously circulation supply does decrease. The entire world is talking about Shiba at this point, and along with, we are seeing Coinbase, like, everyone's anticipating this Coinbase listing. Coinbase has not come out and made when they're going to be listing it, but I do believe it should be soon, in the next month or so. But they have officially announced that they will be listing Shiba at some point. They're just having some technical difficulties, and along with the rumors that are going on with Robinhood. So there's still a lot of money on the sideline that is waiting for to purchase Shiba, because a lot of new investors don't know how to move the funds around from one exchange to another. So it is easy for them to have a one-stop shop exchange such as Coinbase, along with Robinhood, where they could just convert their USD or whichever currency they have and put that into whichever cryptocurrency they like. And I do definitely believe that we will see an upside potential for Shiba very, very soon. We just need to be very, very patient. Patience is number one key to follow. Once we break above this level, guys, then I believe it's game time, and we could definitely move up very, very fast. But right now, patience is very much needed. But let me know in the comment section below what you guys are thinking with Shiba, where you guys could see Shiba go in the immediate short term. Are you guys purchasing any Shiba right now? Are you guys staking? What are you guys doing? And do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, guys, because this does help my videos get to a wider audience, so your support would be greatly appreciated. And let me know if you guys are enjoying this Shiba content. So far I've been getting great feedback, but let me know so I can keep delivering this for you guys. Do not forget to hit the first link in the description box below and come join our Telegram group chat, guys. It's free to join. Link in the description box below. We talk about cryptocurrencies, the latest news and trends revolving around the space, and just have a great time at the end of the day. And thank you so much for all the support that you guys show me, each and every one of you guys. I love you guys, and I do this exactly for you guys. And stay safe out there. Safety, health, and family comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.